Hello children, today I am going to teach I word family related exercise. Before exercise, let me tell you date, day, weather and season. Which date today? Today 27 August 2020. And which date today? Today Thursday. How is weather outside? Weather cloudy and season, which season going on? Rainy season. Children, in last period I have already revised A and E sound related all exercise and all word. Okay, so today I will explain about only for I word related activity. Okay, so first children, everybody to open book number 3. Book number 3 and page number 8. Book number 3, page number 8. And what is our heading? Look. L double OK. Look. 88. THE. The. PICTUR. Picture. AND. WRITE. Right. THE. The. RHYMING. Rhyming word. Okay. Look at the picture. That means look at the picture and write the rhyming word. Children, already I have draw on the board pictures, and then after that we write the rhyming word related from already write it. Ba in bin. Okay, it's a ba. What is, which word is this? Ba in bin. And which picture is this? Ta in tin. So bin related tin. So both of word is rhyming word because sound is same. Ta in tin. Okay. Now you read and check it. Okay, which one is rhyming word? It is rhyming word is a same. Ba in bin, ta in tin. Last sound is the same now. So ba in bin, ta in tin. Okay. Next picture. Which picture is this? It's a jeep picture. Jeep. Okay. Which picture is this? Jeep. So here is tip. You know what is the meaning of tip? Tip means whenever you go in hotel, whenever you go in restaurant, that time you given to some small piece of money given to who? One waiter. That means is a tip. Okay. So tip and zip. Okay. It's a sound is same, means it's a rhyming word is a same. So tip and zip. Now next picture. Which picture is this? It's a bib. Which picture, children? Bib picture. And there is nib. You know writing nib. You use ink pen, that time we attach the nib. Okay, that means nib. Nib. And bib. Last sound is same. So it is a perfect rhyming word. Okay. So nib and bib. Okay. Now next picture, children. Which picture is this? It's a fig picture. Which picture? Fig picture. Okay. And that same related from big and fig. So last sound is same, and that's why there is a perfect rhyming word. Big and fig. Big and fig. Okay. And then which picture? It's a lead picture. Which picture? Lead. And there is kid. Kid means small baby for goat baby, kid. Small baby, goat baby, kid. The kid and lead. Okay. So lead. And then which picture is this, children? It's a wig picture. Wig. who were not a hair. That time they are use wig. Okay, pig. Pig is a animal. Okay, pig and wig. Now you speak with me and you read and speak. Bin, tin, tip, zip, nip, bib, big, fig, kid, lid and pig, wig. Okay, next page, book number same, book number 3, page number 9. Okay, book number 3 and page number 9. So what is our heading? CHOOC, choose. AND, and. Choose and. WRITE, write. Choose and write. THE, the. CORRECT, correct. Choose and write the correct. RHYMING, rhyming words. That means choose and write the correct rhyming word. All rhyming word we have write in this picture. Then we choose and related this word and correct word we write in line. Okay, so now look here, which one word there are? Fig, mix, nib, seed, pig, tip, rib, six, sip and hit. And there is, everybody read big. And which one related for big? Big. Then pig. Okay, big, pig and fig. So there we have right here pig and fig. It's a correct rhyming word. Okay, next is bib. Ib sound word. Which one sound word? Ib sound word. Bib. Then there is rib, nib, nib. Okay, so now we write down side. Na, ib, nib. Okay, na, ib, nib and ra, ib, rib. Then next is which one? Zip. Okay, ip sound word. Which one sound word? Ip sound word. Ip, zip. There is ip, type, tip and sip, sip. Type, tip, sip, sip. And then we write here type, tip and ip, sip. Okay, then which sound is this? It's a fix. Which word is this? Fix. And which sound word? X sound word. Okay, fix. So where is fix? Mix. Okay, then six. Mix and six both are same. Mix, mix and fix. Okay, then next is pit. Next sound word is a pit. There is pit. So related sit. Then height, hit. Sit and hit both of same. Height, hit and sit, sit. Hit and sit. Okay, now write the correct rhyming word. They are similar. Big, pig, fig. Bib, nib, rib. Zip, tip, sip. Fix, mix, fix. And then there is 6 children. So sorry, there is 6. Mix and 6. Pit, hit and sit. Okay, Now next page is fill up your book, fill up your page, book number 3, page number 10. Which one? Page number 10, book same. CIRCLE circle, THE the, WORD word, THAT that, MATCHES maths the picture. Circle the word that match the picture. I mean circle the word. They are match the picture. I mean which one? Same and same match with the picture, that word we circle. Like this, there is a which picture? Wig picture. Which picture? Wig. So look here. Her, him. It's a similar? No. Died, did. It's related from picture? No. Wig, wig. It's related from picture. So we circle that match the picture. Okay. Now next, with picture? Zip picture. So bite, bid. It's a related picture? No. Dime, dim. Related? No. Fight, fit? No. And zip, last one. So we circle the zip. Okay children. Next is which picture is this? Bib picture. Which picture? Bib. So look here. By bib, it's related from picture. Then next picture, 6. Number 6. Okay. Rhyme, rim, saik, 6, lid, lid, and jaik, zig. So children, 6. We circle the 6. Then which picture is this? Pin. Which picture? Pin. So you read with me. Wine, win, type, tip, pine, pin, and tine, tin. So which one related from picture? Pine, pin. Okay. Then bike, big, kite, kit, wine, win, and type, tip. Okay, big, kit, win, and tip. So it's a tip. Type, tip. So then which picture? Kit picture. Which picture? Kit. By bib, kite, kit, rhyme, rim, and him. So kite, kit. Okay. Next picture is pig picture. Which picture children? Pig. Pike, pig. So we circle pig. Understand? Completed everybody? Now last page 11, book number same. Okay. Book number 3 and page number 11. Children, and what is our heading? NAME, name. NAME, name. THE, the. GIVEN, given. And PICTUR, picture. Name the given pictures. Draw picture. So only you write only for name. Okay. With picture, you know everybody how many times I explain about. So you know which picture is this. Write down yourself. Pa in pin. Okay. Then this picture, which picture is this? Ba, bib. Ba, bib. Okay. Which picture? Ba, bib. Then next picture is raw egg, rack. Okay. So raw egg, yes, no. Which picture is this? Just I have confusion. Which picture? Red color. That means red color. And this, okay, 1 minute. This is fig. Fig. Which picture is this? Fig. Fig. Now think and write after. Fig, fig. Pied pit, that means pied pit. Pied pit. Pit means what? Gadda khonna, okay? No, there is laid lid. Which picture is this? Laid lid. Laid lid. Then there is dig means gadda khodna, okay? Dig, dig, I know. And there is, which picture is this? Bin, bin. So, bin, bin. Okay, completed children. All children completed. Pine, pin, buy, bib, dig, dig, fig, fig, bin, bin, and laid, lid.